Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 13 of exercise 9.1 from the chapters applications of trigonometry. So this is question number 13. Just look here. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. किसी जो है 75 मीटर ऊंचे लाइट हाउस से, ठीक है, सपोज ये कोई आपका लाइट हाउस है, this one, this AB is the lighthouse which is 75 meter high, 75 meter high, 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. Suppose this is the sea level, this is the sea level. Sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. दो शिप्स हैं समुद्र में जिसका एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशंस गिवन है 30 डिग्री एंड 45 डिग्री. इफ वन शिप इज एग्जैक्टली बिहाइंड द अदर ऑन द सेम साइड ऑफ द लाइट हाउस, और दोनों शिप क्या हैं, बिल्कुल एक दूसरे के पीछे हैं, ठीक है, और एंड द सेम साइड ऑफ द लाइट हाउस. सपोज करो ये लाइट हाउस है ए बी और इसके राइट साइड में ही दोनों हैं एक ही तरफ. These are the two ships. This is ship 1 S1 and this is ship S2. To find the distance between the two ships. Find the distance between the two ships. आपको जो है दोनों शिप्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है. आपको इनका जो है एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन गिवन है लाइक दिस. तो एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन विल बी मेजर्ड फ्रॉम दिस वन. So what will happen? The angles are given 30 degree and 45 degree. 30 degree and 45 degree. Then this angle will be 30 degree from here. This one. The angle of this angle and this angle will be equal to 30 degree because they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. It's okay. This was the angle of depression 30 degree and this was this one 45 degree. This angle will be equal to this one because they are alternate interior angles. Because they are alternate interior angles. Is it okay? The question is this, to find the distance between the ship. So we have to find this distance S1 and S2. S1 and S2. Now you can tell me, suppose this is the point M. Now tell me angle M AS to B. Angle AS to B will be equal to what? This one. AS to B. This will be equal to S to BM. S to BM, which is 45 degree. And angle this is 30 degree. How much it is? 30 degree. And angle S1B will be equal to MB S1 or S1B M1. S1B M, that is 45 degree. Why they are equal? Because they are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. And you have to find the distance between the ships. What you have to find? Distance S1 and S2. Okay. So now just look. You have two triangles. Let S1 is equal to X and S1 S2 is equal to Y. Is it there? And this Y we have to find. This is the question mark. What we have to find? S1 S2. Now in triangle A S1 B, A S1 B, what will happen? This AS1 upon AB, this will equal to cot 45 degree. AS1 we have taken what? X, and this distance we have taken Y. So what will happen? X upon 75 is equal to cot 45. Cot 45, which is always 1. So therefore X will be 75 meter. What is the value of X? 75 meter. Now just look in the whole triangle. In triangle AS2B and in triangle AS2B, what will be there? This AS2 upon AB, that will be based upon perpendicular is there, which is cot. Therefore AS2 will be how much? AB into cot 30. What is the value of AB? 75 meter. And cot is cot 30 is under root 3. AS2. What is the length of AS2? Just look here. This AS2 is equal to what? X plus Y. X plus Y is 75 under root 3 meter. This is suppose equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. What we have to find? This Y. This Y can be calculated. Just put the value of X here. So what will you get? From first and second. From first and second. What will happen? X, yani 75 plus Y is equal to 75 under root 3. And this Y will be equal to 75 under root 3 minus 75. 75 under root 3 minus 75. Now we can write this here. After this, what we can write here? Y will be 75, you can take outside under root 3 minus 1 meter. Now just look at the question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl. Suppose this is the girl. This is the girl. Is it okay? What is the height of girl? 1.2 meter. Spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88 meter from the ground. वो क्या करती है कि ये ग्राउंड है आपका, दिस इज ग्राउंड लेवल. What she spots कि the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. Suppose ये बैलून है, this is the balloon here, where it is, suppose this is point A, and what is the height of this balloon from the ground level? That is 88 meter, 88.2 meter. The angle of elevation from the eyes of the girl is 60 degree. This is the eye of the girl. Let this C point is the eye of the girl. C is the eye of the eyes of the girls are here at point C. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. This is. So this 60 degree will be measured from this straight line. This is the angle of elevation. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30. कुछ टाइम के बाद जो है जो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है वो कितना हो जाता है आपका 30 डिग्री. कितना हो जाता है 30 डिग्री. तो लेट दिस इज पॉइंट D. This is point D. Is it okay? And then this angle reduces to 30 degree. So suppose this is the point B and this is point A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. What is this angle? This angle is this whole angle. This whole angle was 60 degree. How much? 60 degree. And this was 30 degree. The question is this: find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. During the interval. तो कितना डिस्टेंस जो है बैलून ने ट्रेवल किया? ये वाला, this AD, or you can say this BE. Okay, the distance traveled by the balloon, what is AD? You have to find to be find. What we have to find? Distance traveled by the balloon. That is what? AD, or you can say this BE. BE. Okay. Now just look here. Let this BC is equal to small a and this BE is equal to small b. Now just look here. If this height is 1.2 meter, this will also 1.2 meter and this will also 1.2 meter. What is the total height of this one? the balloon, that was 88.2 meter. 88.2 meter. So if it is this much, so what will be this height? This is 88.2, 1.2 is this, so this is 87 meter. And this will also, this AB is also how much? 87 meter. And this D is also 87 meter. Okay, now just look at the triangles. You have two right angle triangles. Is it there? First one is CBA. In triangle ABC. Just look carefully. What will happen? Just look. AB upon BC. AB upon BC, perpendicular upon base, is tan theta. This is tan 60. What is the value of AB? That is 87. And what we take this value BC, A, is equal to tan 60. Tan 60 is how much? Under root 3. Therefore, 87 upon A is equal to under root 3, or you can say A is equal to 87 upon 3. Just rationalize it. What will become? 87 upon under root 3, and for the rationalization of it, we have to multiply with the rationalizing factor of under root 3, which is under root 3. So what will be this? This will become 3, okay, and 3. So 87 upon 3. So what we can find out here? A is equal to, just divide it, 87 under root 3 upon 3. This will be A is equal to 29 3 is 87, and this is 3. What is the value of A? 29 under root 3. Now just look in the triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, just look here. This DE upon CE. DE upon CE is equal to how much? The perpendicular upon base is what? Tan 30. Okay, what is the height of DE? 87 upon CE is equal to tan 30. And tan 30 is how much? 1 upon under root 3. Now just multiply it. It means this will be multiplied here and this will be multiplied there. CE is equal to 87 under root 3. Therefore, CE is equal to 87 under root 3. Okay. CE I have taken this A plus B. A plus B. A plus B is how much? 87 under root 3. We have to find the value of this one, AD or BE, which is how much? What I have taken this? B. I have to find the value of B. So from here, B will be 87 under root 3 and minus A. 87 under root 3 minus A Just look, what is the value of A? 29 under root 3. 29 under root 3. You can take 20 root 3. Therefore, B will be, you can take this under root 3 common. What you will get? 87 minus 29. Is it there? So what it will become? Under root 3 into, just subtract it, 17 minus 9, 8, and this one, 5. So what is the answer? 58 into under root 3 meter. So what is the distance traveled by the balloon during the flight of the balloon? That is 58 under root 3 meter. 58 under root 3 meter. Now this is question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. एक जो स्ट्रेट हाईवे है, सीधा हाईवे है, वो किसकी तरफ आ रहा है? फुट ऑफ द टावर. सपोज दिस इज द टावर. दिस इज द टावर AB. AB is tower. Is it okay? And this is the straight highway. This one. ये आपका हाईवे है. क्या है? हाईवे. This is your highway. A man is standing at the top of the tower. Here is a man. यहाँ पे कोई आदमी है. कोई आदमी यहाँ पे खड़ा है. At the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degree which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. वो यहाँ से क्या देखता है कि कोई कार जो है यहाँ पे है, जैसे पॉइंट आपका D पे, यहाँ पे वो देखता है किसी कार को कि वो कार का जो है एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन कितना है? 60 डिग्री, सॉरी 30 डिग्री. तो दिस विल बी दिस एंगल. This angle is 30 degree. Here is a car at point D which is moving with the uniform speed. Now 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Suppose 6 सेकंड के बाद जो है वो आपका पॉइंट C पे पहुंच जाती है कार. ओके. And then this angle of depression, this becomes 60 degree. This becomes 60 degree. तो कहता है find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. मतलब वो जो टाइम ले रहा है वो टाइम आपने निकालना है कि यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में जो है कितना टाइम लेगा वो, इस पॉइंट से इस फुट तक. दिस इज द फुट ऑफ द टावर. कि जो टाइम टेकन है वो कि कितना होगा? फाइंड द टाइम टेकन बाय द कार टू रीच द फुट ऑफ द टावर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट. इस पॉइंट से टावर तक पहुंचने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड. इट ओके? तो Now just look at the question. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. कोई straight highway है, वो टावर की फुट की तरफ जा रहा है. A man standing at the top of the tower observe a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. कोई आदमी पॉइंट A पे खड़ा है, वो यहाँ से किसी कार का जो है एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन मेजर करता है कि वो कितना है? 30 डिग्री. तो दिस एंगल विल ऑल्सो बी 30 डिग्री. ठीक है. द कार इज मूविंग विद एन uniform speed. So let Let the uniform speed of car is x. कार की स्पीड क्या है? x है. And after 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Let the car reaches at point C after 6 सेकेंड. कार हमने क्या किया? 6 सेकेंड में डी से सी पे पहुंची. लेट द कार रीच एट पॉइंट सी आफ्टर 6 सेकेंड. देयरफॉर द डिस्टेंस डी सी, डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल टू स्पीड इनटू टाइम. व्हाट इज द स्पीड वी हैव टेकन? x. Okay, or time is 6 seconds. So what is the distance? This one DC, this is 6x. Is it there? What is the distance? 6x. Question is this. कि find the time taken by the car from this point to D. हमने यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने का टाइम निकालना है, C से लेके B तक. Let the car reach at the foot of the tower. कौन सा है? फुट ऑफ द टावर B. फ्रॉम द, कहाँ से? फ्रॉम द पॉइंट C. लेट द कार रीच एट द फुट ऑफ द टावर B फ्रॉम द पॉइंट C इन टाइम T. कितने टाइम में? T टाइम में. इज इट देयर? कितना टाइम लेता है यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाने में? T टाइम. देन द डिस्टेंस BC, अगेन distance BC will be again speed into time. Speed into time. And what is the speed? You have taken x. And what is the time? T. Equal to speed into time. It means this BC will be T into x. This is how much? T into x. Now the question is this, find this time taken. Okay. Now again just look at the question. This is this highway leads to the foot of the tower. A man is standing at the point A. He observed that the angle of depression of a car is 30 degree, and after 6 seconds this angle of elevation or this angle of depression becomes how much? 60 degree. The question is this, find the time taken from C to B. Okay, now just look here. Now you have two triangles A, B and D. In triangle ABD, just look here, AB upon BD, AP upon BD, how much? But this is tan 30, tan 30, and that is how much? 1 upon under root 3. Therefore AB will be what? BD upon 1 upon under root 3. AB is equal to, what is the BD? This BD is 6x plus TX, यानी CD plus BC. CD plus CB and into 1 upon under root 3. Therefore, AB is equal to CD how much? 6x plus TX upon under root 3. This is equation number 1. Now look at the triangle ABC. Again, in triangle ABC, just look here. This AB, this perpendicular upon BC, that is tan 60, or you can say AB is equal to how much? BC into tan 60. AB upon BC is tan 60, इसलिए AB is equal to BC into tan 60. Put the values. AB. What is the value of BC? TX. TX into tan 60. TX into tan 60. And tan 60 is what? Under root 3. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 1 कि AB is equal to 6x plus TX upon under root 3, and this is equation number 2 कि AB is equal to TX under root 3. TX under root 3. So just look at the left hand side of these two equations. They are equal. Therefore, the right hand side will be equal. So from equation 1 and 2, what will happen? This much. 6x plus TX upon under root 3 will be equal to TX into under root 3. Okay. Now nothing is here. Do the cross multiplication. So what will happen? 6x plus TX. 6x plus TX. This is equal to TX into under root 3 into under root 3. This under root 3 will be multiplied here. Under root 3 into TX into under root 3. What it will? Under root 3 into under root 3. 3 TX. 6x plus TX is equal to 3TX. 6x plus TX is equal to 3TX. 3TX. Now shift this TX to this side. So what will happen? 6x is equal to 3TX minus TX. 3TX minus TX. TX means 1TX. So 3TX minus TX is 2TX. So therefore 6x will be 2 into TX, or you can say 2TX is equal to 6x. The T will be 6x upon 2x, that is 3. So what is the value of T? That is 3 second. 3 second. So how, after how much time the car will reach at point B from the point C? In 3 seconds. In 3 seconds. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.